Alright, what's up you guys? I have a nice little surprise for today, but welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's doing alright out there in those streets. So today I'm going to be doing a pizza review, and the pizza I got today is from Little Caesars. So let's check out this app today. Alright, and what we're having is called the Crazy Calzony. Starting off, it says it's a popular item, large pepperoni pizza with a Parmesan butter flavored calzone-like crust filled with garlic, white sauce, cheese, and julienne pepperonis, plus crazy sauce. Now, I just got this pizza delivered, just like, you know. And now I just got this pizza delivered, just like described here, or at least this is what we have. We're gonna find out. I'm gonna bring her out in all her glory. Give me a second here. Now, once arrived at my door, first thing I notice is a greasy as F box. So this is how it came to me. I'm just gonna show you guys. This is what happens when you order from fast food joints. It's usually hit or miss with Little Caesars. I'm actually a big fan of Little Caesars, but I'm not a fan of how they kind of put things together and execute in store in real life. So now, does this look like a large pizza? To me, no. To you, maybe. Honestly, looks gross to me. Like, what's going on here with all that? Let's let's do this. Can you guys see that? I mean, they kind of look the same. All right, pepperoni's in there. Another thing, it didn't come with the pizza dipping sauce, which is another disappointment. But I'm gonna go ahead on with the show anyway. I'm gonna taste it as is and give you my opinion and review about it. Honestly, I want to take like the smallest piece off this thing. I mean, this is just crazy. The amount of grease. Alright, anyways, pizza's not even cut correctly all the way through. Okay, I'm just gonna go in. Should have had something to drink. I'm gonna get something to drink. Give me a second. Pouring up some Canada Dry. Alright, first bite. Typical, if you've had Little Caesars, typical classic Little Caesar. The sauce. What differs is that crust, or calzone part, they claim it to be. It tastes like it has like a white sauce, definitely. It's very creamy, the texture, and grainy at the same time. Best to explain it to you. Tastes like garlic. And the pepperonis are just a little thicker in the crust. Now, somebody might have a better chance of getting a better pizza, better quality at your location. So definitely, I mean, you could try it out for sure. Something cool and new, and I just wanted to share that with you all. But keep in mind, it's going to be very greasy. All right, thanks for watching this this fail of a review, I guess. Catch you in the next one. It looks weird.